Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn the option for our phone to vibrate when we have a missed call or a message. So what does it exactly do? When we miss a call or a message, when we pick up a phone, it will vibrate to let us know that we have that we missed some messages and or calls. So how to turn it on? Settings, then advanced features, motion and gestures, and here is the option alert when phone picked up. So as you can see here, your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or a message. By default it's turned on, but if for whatever reason it's turned off and we want to look for this option, it's right here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next video. Goodbye.